Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung device and let me share with you how to enable the instant split screen shortcut on this device. So before we proceed, the most important thing about the navigation. This option will work only if you've got the 3-button navigation applied. It will not really work when you've got the gestures. Alright, so now what we need to do is to localize and download GoodLock. You can find it in the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store. It's free of charge. Simply download it and then tap on it. Now what we need to do is to scroll in those plugins. And here we need to scroll and find the option Multistar. Let's tap. Here we've got this option quick launch of the multi-window. So just tap on the switcher here and leave open in split screen view. Now the second thing we need to do is to open the regular general settings, just our phone settings. Here we need to scroll down and localize the option advanced features. Tap on it. Here, go to Labs, tap on it, and mark multi-window for all apps. So this option needs to be turned on. And now, whenever you are on on any kind of app, and you will tap and hold on the recents, you will open the instant split screen. Let's tap and hold it, and as you can see here, we've got our split screen, and we can choose the app that we want to open. So, for example, we can open the Chrome. And as you can see, it will immediately appear right here. You can tap on it and hold it, and then you will again have the second app on the full screen. You can tap on it, hold it again to again open the split screen view. I really think that it is maybe not life-changing, but it's a really nice trick to know and to have. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.